Sweet Pea? Can I see you? Is she shaking? Hey, Liam. Yeah. Is it fun?
You riding? You riding it up and down?
Oh, man.
I think it's just the horse itself that's shaking.
Hi, Cadence. Yay! Is it fun? She does not know.
Riding the horse.
Cadence, what do you see? You ready to go on the train?
No.
And go in?
Locomotive pulled several U.S. presidents. It was like Eisenhower,
Ooh.
FDR. And a couple
You looking
others
outside?
That era.
Can you see Daddy?
Early mid-20th century. But it was.
You can see all the little fingerprints in the windows. What do you think?
Choo-choo.
You're on the choo-choo train. Isn't that lovely? Oh, careful, Cadence. Okay. No, that's there for a reason. Okay, here we go. Go down the hallway.
Down, choo-choo. Down, choo-choo.
Look at that bathtub. Do you see the bathtub?
No.
Well, you don't have to go in the bathtub. In the potty.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Should we keep looking?
I shy. Shy.
You can see outside. Mm-hmm.
White choo-choo.
Oh, what's in here?
White choo-choo. White choo-choo. White choo-choo. White choo-choo. Wow.
That's right, a boat. That's the boat that we're on.
Wow.
Whoa.
Crazy, huh?
What color is that boat?
You're squatting down like us.
Not a
Blue.
blue boat.
Choo-choo.
It is like Poppy's choo-choo, isn't it?
Oh man.
Oh, no, is it
I'm
not
working?
Oh,
That's not the train though. That's like you can make other things go with the
Oh.
other. See, there's the
That's
the
cool.
wheel and the track. That makes that like kind of.
oh my.
Sometimes one of them is broken. It's rare that both of them are broken. And someone told me that they were both working now. So
Choo-choo.
I know. I don't think we're gonna get the choo-choo to go. It's still a cool choo-choo though, isn't it?
Do you see it? There are two of them, Cadence. Two choo-choos. It's like, yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Wow.
A boat?
Wow.
Another boat?
Choo-choo.
That one looks kind of like a boat, I think.
Wow.
A boat.
Choo-choo.
These are like trucks.
Yeah.
They're like fancy trucks.
Choo-choo.
That's-
Kittens, what are those? Kittens, what are these animals?
Hey.
Nay, they're horses.
Yeah.
A strong carriage.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
All these choo-choos.
Choo-choo.
Yeah, so choo-choos.
Choo-choo.
Those are trolleys.